Welcome back to my channel, and I'm so sorry if my lighting is bad. I'm filming 10 o'clock p.m. I don't have a light and na ako sa sala karon, and excuse me for that. Excuse me for that. And excuse me for that. So, yes, I'm sorry about my background and anything. Another setup again. But yeah, let's just forget about the setup. This is ukay haul. Yes, ukay haul, guys. I really want to share this with you because it's so cheap. Gigan ko Panglao market this morning, and then because niatusog ko sa Panglao hospital, and then nakahapit ko sa merkado and I saw this ukay 10 pesos tanan, and it's so crazy because 10 pesos din ang mga brand is Forever 21, Gap, Old Navy, and it's just, my God, I have to ukay jud kanang nabito kanang mura siya kanang daghan kayo kuan imo ning ukay yun jud kanang pareho sa ukay good kanang dili ukay nga para sa uban nga ukay nga mahal kay tag 100 kay gibutang naman siya sa kanang hanger. It's just not right. Like, ukay should be so cheap because, yes, it's second hand or mga overrun. Guys, naputol akong video, but yes, I'm saying that kanang mga mahal dito kayo tag 300 pesos or 400 pesos or 500 pesos for ukay is just not right. That's why it's ukay because it's second hand, it's overrun, and then it should be so cheap. And that's why I need to get this one, guy. It's only 10 pesos. Like, what? And then brand new sila. Ang uban gani na pay tag. So let's start with the first item. This is all 10 pesos, guys. Yes, I got like 10. 10, yes, no. Yeah, no. 10. Yes, 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yes, 10. Yeah, 10. Okay, so I first got this like Rue 21. This is made in, I don't know, doesn't say, but look at this. It's a top like this one. Look at that. This is only 10 pesos. Ano na siya, guys? Tube na siya, and then it's really nice, and then the cloth is just nice for 10 pesos. Oh, alang di ka mukuan ani. It's only 10 pesos, guys. I really like it, and then it's so nice kay top na siya, and then I can wear this in the beach and something, and then oh my God, I can't believe. The next one is Forever 21. Makita dyan ninyo siya. Na siya wait. Yes. Oh. No, it's not Forever 21. I'm sorry. It's Heritage 1987. Made in Bangladesh. Napa siya tag, oh. My God. So, yung tag is $10, and I got this for 10 pesos. Like, oh my God. Look at that. And the cloth though, my God, guys, ang cloth. I like it. If you can just feel it. Okay, the next one is this shirt. Wala siya brand. But this is not bad for 10 pesos. Look at that shirt. Like, oh my God, the cloth is so nice. Walay man siya. It looks very new, and it fits perfectly to me. And then only 10 pesos, and then basta nice, tanda nice ang tela, as in, guys. The next one is this. I don't know what's the brand, but it says made in Indonesia. This is a skirt. Look at that skirt. It's very nice. Na siya detail. I don't know if you can see it, but yes, na siya mga inanhal lines like detailed niya, guys. And look at this. Like, my God, this is 10 pesos. This is so nice. Ang iyang cloth is very nice, guys. Like, OMG, I can't. The next one is, honey, guys, Forever 21 na gid siya. Nagid ni makita nimo. I don't know if you can see it, but yes, Forever 21 na siya. And yes, Forever 21 it's just a pambahay, but pambahay Forever 21, and 10 pesos. This is like more siya gray nga na pagka-violet. I love the color of this one, that's why I got it. And then also because wala na kayo pangbalay. So, daghan ko pangbalay actually. But this one, pwede na ko ni siya panglakaw sad because it's not bad. It's very nice. The cloth, the color. Okay, the next one, guys. This is really really cute. Like, mura siya o kanang see-through nga yang cloth. And then, you can wear this at beach like while you're wearing your swimsuit. So yes, I can imagine me wearing this one. And guys, I like the color, and then there's nothing wrong because I always check kung may mga gisi or something inanha. So yes, this is made in Spanish. This is made in Spain. Yes, Spanish na noon. So yes, it's so nice. That's only 10. Okay, the next one, na pa siya tag, guys. Yes, na pa siya tag. This is $27. Oh my god, and I got this for 10 pesos. That's so very cheap. This is made in Vietnam, okay? But dollars ang yung nakabutang. And this one is just like polo, and then this really fits to me. Like, magud ko yung mga kanang formal nga, kanang semi-formal, or kanang bitang mulakaw ko, mato ko mga, mato ko magkuha ko mayor's permit, or mo ato ko sa LTO, kanang mas, kuan magud murag, kanang nice magud nga magpolo bitaw ka, or dili magyud siya ingon nga required jud siya, but it's nice nga kanang presentable ka. And this one is just killing it, lit. It's so nice. This is like dark blue, perfect to me. Like, you can never go wrong with 10 pesos, and if it's not perfect to me, then it's only 10 pesos. And next one, I got a swimsuit. Yes, guys, a swimsuit. I think yeah, swimwear. Yes, swimwear. This is really cute. Isa na siya, guys. Isa na siya. I think this is kanang sa mga kids, but guys, ako gyud ang akong mga swimsuit kids gina sila tanan, kay dili ko kaiguan jud guys sa pangdagko. Bisag small siya, dili ko kaiguan kay gamay kay mga tao. What I like about this one, kay short ra magud ni siya. Short siya ba ang yang dere. Ibito kay heavy, ditong katong ever. Pero I got, this is 10 pesos, so yes, I got another one as well. Ninigyan po siya swimsuit. I think really this is kids, like this is for kids. And then this one is more daring because panty gid siya. Yeah, like that, more daring like this. And then sa iyang likod, mas daring because open guys tanan. But I'm going to Palawan next month. Not very soon. I'm going to Palawan soon. So, no, next month. But that's why I got a new, like, mga swimwear para, you know, Palawan is swim. And then, guys, this is the last one that I got that I am really shocked. And then I am really, like, I can't explain my feeling. Like, this is the best ukay-ukay that I got in my entire life. I don't know if that's true, but oh my god, this one just killing it for only 10 pesos. Look at that. It's so freaking nice. I think this is the and then na siya mga purag see-through bitaw dere sa kilid niya. Nga sa kuan sa kilid sa iyang ever. And then oh my god, look at yung iyang kuan, tanawa yung design sa, I don't know if you can see it properly, but this one, oh, sito yung dari sa kilid bitaw niya. Oh my god, this is, and this is, yes, look at that, guys. Forever 21 crop top. It's so nice for only 10 pesos. Yes, dagan ko nakoy napalit ng mga ukay-ukay before, but this one is just worth it because Forever 21, I like the design so much. I think it's pretty cool. And Forever 21, my god. Ooh, I'm really excited to wear this one. Ooh, I'm really excited to wear this one. Oh my god. Like when I first like kanang sikog ukay, and then mo like so many siya, so many. I'm having this one. It's late. That will be all for this video. I hope you like my haul, my ukay haul, because I really like them. I really love them so much because they are all nice, and they are They're all nice, guys, and only 10 pesos. Oh my God, 10 pesos. And tanan ning ukay-ukay, 100 pesos ra ni tanan, na pulo nakabuksan nina akong napalit. And they're all worth it kay ang mga brands, ang color, ang quality, legit. Yes, legit. Hope you like it and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, love you. Bye.